Welcome to the introduction lecture. In this lecture, I'm going to be telling you exactly what this course is about in detail so that you'll know in the following videos what to expect. First, I'm going to teach you the three basic building blocks of art, which are shapes, values, and edges. I'm going to show you how they can be applied specifically to pixel art. I'm going to teach you a little silhouette technique that will help you to start your pixel art, just get something down. I'm going to teach you how to use basic shapes to create more complex shapes. And I'm going to teach you how to clean up your shapes using the edges. Then we're going to talk about some color theory. I'm going to go over the color wheel. I'm going to teach warm and cool colors and some other important things about the color wheel. Then we're going to create your own palette. We're going to go over animation. Inside of the animation section, we'll be covering keyframes. We'll be talking about how you can use big movements versus small movements. We'll show some techniques with motion blur. Then lastly, I'm going to show you how to use all of the things that you've learned in the course to create a simple but nice looking mock-up for a game that you could create. This course is relatively fast-paced. We're going to jump right in the next lecture and start using some of the things that we just talked about so you can see them in action. And we'll go in later sections, we'll go into more detail about these specific techniques, but we're going to jump right in and start using them immediately. So if you guys are ready to get started, I will see you all in the next lecture.